a friend in New York. We don't talk every day, but when we do, I'm loving everything that he say to me. And my friend back home, we talk all the time, but I'm not really sure if I really wanna make